Hi, I'm Nick with Skog at Kust, and this is the LiteSåk Pak. The LiteSåk Pak is our ultralight, packable, waterproof backpack. It's made from 70D ripstop nylon that's coated with PVC and assembled using heat-taped seams. LiteSåk Pak features a convenient integrated storage pouch. It packs down to about the size of a sandwich, weighs only 7 ounces, and is available in several color options. On the front of the bag is a large exterior splash-proof pocket, and each side features an elastic mesh pocket. There are adjustable shoulder straps and an adjustable and removable sternum strap. All the clips and hardware are Duraflex brand. Sealing the LiteSåk Pak is simple. Fill the bag and align the top edges. Fold over tightly at least 3 times, then buckle the clips. When properly sealed, the main compartment provides IPX6 waterproof protection, and it also floats. For more information, please see our listing.